Okay, this section is called Glamping Defined, and we're going to get very, very basic, to the core, set a baseline of your understanding of what glamping is. And it always starts with definitions. You define the terms, and then you get to understand the deeper concepts that come later. It may seem mundane or elementary, but it's actually very, very important, because we all have individual experiences or biases and ideas of what we think glamping is or should be. And great as we think we are, these ideas cloud our judgment. So let's get to glamping, specifically its definition, its history, and where it sits today. Now let me propose an idea. There are two definitions of glamping that need clarification, and the definitions are radically opposed to one another. The first is the textbook definition of glamorous camping. According to Oxford, glamping is a form of camping involving accommodations and facilities more luxurious than those associated with traditional camping. Okay, more luxurious than camping. So is the Taj Mahal. Why even make the comparison? Do we really need to begin with camping? Is this the basic understanding of glamping? Could it be something else? And how do you feel about camping? People have fond memories of camping, or not. Our guests often show up. It's like a big argument between couples. Hey, I grew up camping and I love it and I want to bring you camping. And then I don't want to be caught dead in a sleeping bag. Well, glamping becomes a nice compromise. They usually stay in a fully furnished unit. Features include comfortable beds, electricity, heating and cooling systems, and even private bathrooms, much like booking a hotel. You're just outdoors, that's all. The aim of glamping is to provide an outdoor experience with a touch of luxury and comfort. But what happens when you add luxury and comfort to something that is traditionally understood as not? You have an entirely different experience. And I argue that it's so different that it's hard to even compare to camping at all. Take, for example, camping in a tent. Sleeping inside a nylon pop-up in a state park somewhere sounds like a dreamy experience for some. After spending a paycheck or two on gear that takes you most of the day to stuff in your vehicle, only to unpack it when you arrive, it can be a lot of fun until it rains, or the bugs come out, or the neighbor booze heads party up and puke in the same bathroom that you and 30 other people are sharing. Yeah, fun. Now at my property, Monument Creek Resort, you still camp in a tent, but it's not a cheap nylon tent. It's a nice, thick canvas tent. Not one you crawl into, but one you can stand up straight in. And the bed is fully made, and there's a bottle of homemade wine waiting there for you. And the private deck with a fire pit and a view, and with trails down a creek that flows year-round. Oh, and there's a bathroom with hot water and a shower and toilet paper. Oh, the amenities of luxury and comfort. But it totally changes the experience. You see what I mean? Camping and glamping experientially are totally different experiences. And because of this, I hesitate to call it a form of camping. Instead, it's a form of outdoor accommodation whose likeness to traditional camping, I resist. People do camping while guests experience glamping. The host of a camping operation is 100% focused on adapting their glamping unit to enhance the experience of the guest. Guests understand that they are in nature, but they expect enough modern amenities to make it a pleasurable experience. Now, I've come up with a second definition of glamping as outdoor accommodations where guests expect genuine adaptations to make the outdoor experience relaxing and enjoyable. See, camping isn't even part of the definition. Glamping is camping evolved out of a history that makes the two very different from each other, almost unrecognizable. Comparing glamping to camping is like comparing a fish to an amoeba. It becomes a stretch. A successful glamping host would be much better served to view glamping without being so married to the camping experience. Grow some legs, evolve, and embrace your world. That brings us to the origins of glamping.